Right, watch and learn, guys. This is going to be an absolute dream. It's Clinton, C-L-I-N-T-O-N, vessels W-E-S-S-E-L-S.
Everybody just called me Ollie.
Okay, O-L-I-E.
O-L-L-I-E.
Got that wrong, didn't I? You know the brief though, don't you? Make me look good. Don't worry about Paul. Yeah. And you know the score? Just make me look good. Chris, make me look good. Did you call me Rhino? Shut your face. Hold on, I'm just applying. Geo. Urco. Echo. Chris. I've forgotten what it was, but there's something really pressing I've got to do. Oh, of course, Chris. Don't forget Chris. He's behind the camera. There you go.
These processes are currently in the last stage of
Okay, that's because Jake, the editor, who's not very bright, are you, Jake? He hates me. And if you F that up, Jake, I'm actually going to punch you. Editor's notes, again, Jake, apologise for my rudeness earlier, but I don't like it. Notes. Yeah, but I don't want to do editor's notes. Jake's a fucking idiot. Is this on? Jake. Jake, you know how much I actually detest you even more now because I've had to travel down with you down the M21. M21? M1. So just to clarify, I actually hate you. Anyway. Someone else is editing and they're a bloody idiot if it's Jake. And the company is... Was that a bit rude or was that fair?
A little bit, but yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
Sorry. But not to you, Jake, I still don't like you. And Will is W-I-L-L.
I is W-I-L-L.
Sounds stupid, but my editor's stupid. Is that correct? So notes, Jake, nothing's changed since this morning. Still dislike you intensely. Anyway, moving on. And Jake, still don't like you, mate. So notes, Jake, nothing's changed since this morning, mate. Although poor guy was actually standing outside my front door for 10 minutes in the pitch black.
Did he not knock on the door?
Anyway, we digest. Sirs, you're right. Right, Jake, I'm actually going to be polite to you because that video you did earlier was actually quite good. It's a bit of a wanker though, isn't it? Stupid statement here, but Tony, T-O-N-Y.
Yeah.
As opposed to T-O-N-I is a girl's one, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Like you, Jake. MTDCNC.
When the camera's not on, you're always
Don't tell
going
him
on
that.
that.
Yeah. Get it out of my face. Chris, I still can't remember what it was. It's something really pressing I've got to do. No, still ain't got it. Hold on.